Hey friends! Tire inflators reliably ensure completely safe driving, dramatically save time during stressful emergencies, and accurately maintain optimal tire pressure. In this video, we're taking a look at the best tire inflators 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Nature Hero Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable tire air pump brilliantly combines massive speed, raw power, and absolute versatility within a highly compact design. Heavily equipped with a high-performance integrated chip and an exceptionally powerful motor, it effortlessly handles extreme inflation pressures spanning from 2 to 150 psi. A standard car tire inflates completely in just 6 minutes, while quickly refilling from 1.8 to 3.0 bar takes a mere 2 minutes. Slim bicycle tires and sports balls fully inflate in roughly 1 minute, making it absolutely perfect for both daily garage use and stressful roadside emergencies. Versatility is undeniably a strong point. It works flawlessly with modern cars, massive SUVs, rugged motorcycles, sleek bicycles, and various sports balls, universally supporting all standard Presta and Schrader valve adapters. The large, crystal-clear LCD display accurately shows live pressure, the preset target pressure, current battery level, and active mode, while the bright LED light safely doubles as a flashlight for nighttime operation. The convenient Type-C charging and highly useful built-in power bank functionality add tremendous extra value to the comprehensive kit. Next up, our second product, the Weoluli Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This smart cooling portable system is an absolute game-changer for heavy drivers and active outdoor enthusiasts. Completely unlike many cheap inflators that quickly overheat and dangerously shut down mid-job, this robust pump specifically features highly advanced thermal design management, actively keeping it remarkably cool even during long, extended use. On a completely full battery charge, it can astonishingly inflate up to 3 totally flat standard car tires without stopping, making stressful roadside or home tire maintenance incredibly quick and entirely stress-free. Raw accuracy is a massive standout feature here. Its advanced digital pressure gauge successfully provides hyper-precise, real-time numeric readings with an impressive plus or minus 1 psi accuracy. Cleverly calibrated with a very slight positive tolerance, the tire pressure deliberately lands exactly on the perfect target even after you inevitably lose a tiny bit of air disconnecting the valve. Power options are wonderfully flexible. You can utilize the massive built-in 6000 mAh battery or directly plug into your car's 12V outlet. Pushing a powerful 24 L per minute airflow, tires inflate incredibly fast. Coming in at number 3, the OlarHike Cordless Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This remarkably portable system acts as an incredibly fast, highly versatile, and completely travel-ready solution for modern cars, large SUVs, heavy motorcycles, fast bicycles, and sports equipment. Its highly engineered high-performance motor consistently delivers rapid, forceful airflow, easily inflating a standard car tire from 30 to 35 psi in a blisteringly fast 55 seconds, while considerably larger, heavier SUV tires reach the exact same pressure in only 2.2 minutes. Highly ideal for incredibly quick top-offs or stressful emergency use, it is specifically limited to tires up to 51 psi, making it perfectly suited for passenger cars, light pickups, and crossover SUVs. Generously equipped with a massive 6000 mAh lithium battery, the sturdy inflator can remarkably refill up to 18 standard car tires or 11 heavy SUV tires on a single full charge. Fantastic dual power modes brilliantly allow fully cordless operation using the rechargeable battery or reliable continuous power straight through a standard 12V car socket. The incredibly bright dual LED display and highly sensitive precision sensor constantly monitor tire pressure in real time. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This remarkably portable system is an absolute must-have for absolutely every responsible vehicle owner on the road. Incredibly compact yet surprisingly powerful, this versatile tire pump quickly and reliably inflates car, heavy truck, crossover SUV, motorcycle, and standard bicycle tires all the way up to 120 psi with highly impressive accuracy. Its brilliant, small, rectangular size fits completely easily in a cramped glove box or crowded trunk, making it absolutely perfect for unexpected emergencies while constantly on the go. Using the device is completely effortless. Simply select your desired exact pressure with the intuitive plus and minus buttons, securely connect the sturdy hose, and quickly press start. The smart auto shut-off strictly ensures your expensive tires are never accidentally overinflated, consistently providing ultimate peace of mind every single time. The massive, easy-to-read LCD screen clearly shows pressure in PSI, kPa, bar, or kg/cm, while the remarkably bright built-in LED flashlight greatly aids nighttime roadside use. A handy deflate button, neatly storable air hose, and powerful rechargeable 2000 mAh battery beautifully complete the thoughtful, robust design. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This highly advanced true-gauge portable inflator serves as an absolute must-have for absolutely every daily driver, avid cyclist, and extreme outdoor enthusiast. Its incredibly cutting-edge true-gauge sensor technology actively collects raw tire pressure data an astounding 200 times per second, maintaining a highly valid data rate of over 80, which is an incredible 60 higher than the typical market average, absolutely ensuring hyper-precise, perfectly reliable readings wherever you travel. Intelligently designed for supreme convenience, it offers brilliant 4+N smart mode specifically tailored for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and a highly flexible custom mode where you can precisely preset custom pressures ranging from 3 to 150 psi. Weighing incredibly under 1 pound, the massive 150 psi internal pump forcefully delivers 17 L per minute of airflow, easily inflating a standard tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes. Remarkably twice as fast as many bulky competitors. Equipped with a solid 4000 mAh battery, it can easily refill up to 8 standard tires on a single full charge. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.